In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily watch a stream on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your account, and all you have to do now is hover your mouse right here and then click at play at the very top. You will be taken to the page that looks like that, and then to move on to the next step you need to click at players. After that, click at streaming, and what that will do, that will show you the list of all the users that are currently streaming on chess.com. Right here, to join a stream, we can click on it. And basically that's how we can join a stream. If we would like to join to another one, we can do it in the same way. Just click on another game. As you can see, the users are currently playing and we can watch it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.